my beautiful booksters. Today I'll teach you about the names of the bones in your body. I like learning about the bones because it is cool, and I like learning about other parts in your body. I really hope you like that too. After this video, you can impress your family and your friends. I have this plastic skeleton and her name is Maria, and this is her leftover skeleton and she is 100. I got this plastic skeleton as a present from my dad. If you don't have a plastic skeleton, you can just search up a picture online of a skeleton. In case you don't know what a skeleton is, it's just all the bones joined together. Now, let's get started! First, let's start off with our cranium. Your cranium protects your brain. If you got hurt on your head, your brain didn't actually get hurt, your cranium did. And if you didn't have a cranium, your head would just be all mushy. And that's disgusting. So you're lucky you have a cranium. Then let's move on to our mandible, that is your jaw. It is it's a bone. It is the only bone that can move on your face. Isn't that amazing? It helps you to eat and smile and do funny face like this. And other things like talking. Hello. This is your clavicle. It's very bony, so you can feel it. And then this is your humerus that ends up to your elbow. And then this is your radius that is connected to your thumb right over here. This is your ulna right over here. Here, you see? There. Then we're going to move on to our hand, and it is called carpal, metacarpal phalanges. See? Carpal, metacarpal phalanges. Then we'll move on to our femur. That is the strongest, heaviest, longest bone in your body, guys. This is super amazing. And it helps you to play soccer and do jumping jacks. That makes my knees a little foamy. And yeah, and this is your patella. You can see. And your patella sounds like Nutella. That's funny and yummy. See, it's your knee. It's your knee. Okay? Then this is your tibia that is fatter than your fibula. And then this is your foot. Tarsals, metatarsals, phalanges. And yeah, that is your foot. And this is the same as the phalanges and phalanges. That's cool, guys. This is your sternum, and this is your xiphoid. Your xiphoid is connected to your sternum, and it is very pointy like a knife. And you have these ribs that protects your heart and your lungs. You have 12 pair of ribs, and 5 of them are not connected to your sternum. And these are your hips, okay? And this is the inside of your hip. It's called a pelvis. Then let's talk about the back. This is your vertebra, and these are 5 of your vertebra that is called the sacrum. And this is your coccyx. When you were in your mom's stomach, you had a fishtail, guys. That is super weird. Like a fish, guys. That is super, super weird. But now you are super lucky that you only have this part of your fishtail, that is coccyx. This is your scapula, and that is your shoulder. Okay, guys, these are all the bones I know for today. You can watch this video multiple times to learn about it, and after you're done watching it, you can impress your family and your friends. Okay? And don't forget to subscribe. The subscribe button is the big red button under, okay? And a thumbs up button if you like this video. Please share this video with your family and your friends. I really hope they like it too. Love you guys so much. See you guys next time. Bye.